Alright, let's go. This is what the tank looks like. Look at that. I mean the tank. So the tank looks like. See, we use this toilet from. It's kind of hard to find a date. This is an Eljer. I know this is an Eljer. An older Eljer. This toilet's from the 1970s. I can tell, 1970 something. I don't know what year this toilet from. It's probably from. This thing I found the date. It can be 2021. This toilet's way older than 2021. Alright, let's flush the toilet. Here we go. This house does have 3 restrooms. Two upstairs and one in the bottom. Alright, let's put the tinkler back on. So yeah, let's do this. There we go.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words.